Please pardon me, Your Honor.
I beg your pardon.
Thank you. Your Honor, I'm here, Leon Goodman, a young man I met over a month ago.
The one I just put in jail?
He tested positive this morning.
Yeah. He's talking.
Notice how the judge is not bending the rules here. Even though Leon is being described as a young man trying to get back on track, the court treats drug violations with a strict formula. Bond doubled, drug patch mandatory. For the judge, this is not personal, it's about consistency. If he lets one defendant slide, every other defendant will expect the same break. Fairness in law often means firmness.
Messes. You want to look at his file and learn more about this man? He's not what you think. He's got to get fixed. He's heading down the wrong track.
That's what we're trying to do. Osmond wants to do.
Help him.
I will.
He's on the fast track.
Judge.
But I mean, that's what we.
I'll take the case. I'm taking it pro.
Okay, good.
He said he hired.
Huh?
He
It says he's hired Giles Cole on the 20th. We make sure, but you and Giles can work together or work this thing out. But he says he's retained Giles, who wasn't even here.
What were the bond conditions you said, Judge?
Well, yeah, his bond was doubled like it would be in every case, and then he has to have a drug patch that I would do in every case. That's what I did.
So based on what Mr. Samuels told me, I have no objection to leaving the bond at its original amount, but with the other conditions, Judge. Your Honor, because I know its family is strayed for money as far as he's trying to get his GED. He's back in school, but he's smoking weed, and I told him so. But he listens to me.
I know, but it's ironic that he's working on his education but acting ignorant.
At one point, I did too, Judge.
I mean, this is working. Where's the education going?
I understand.
It's supposed to make him smarter and to make better choices, and but
Judge,
here's what I do is I treat him like I do every body. Their bonds get doubled. And it's an example that we set, and then the drug patch.
Hopkins is going to be like a mentor for him. Judge. That carries a lot of weight with me that he's willing to make that sacrifice. And that is why I'm asking you to deviate from your bond.
But here's the deal. We got to remember, they're all special people. They're all special people. We open the door for one. We open the door for everybody. This is fair. This is like the scales of justice as well. What's fair for one is fair for all. And I'm going to treat him like I'm going to treat others. If we're going to treat him differently, everybody else gets treated in similar situations, and that's the way it's going to work. So give me some good reasons why the bond should not be double like normal in customary. Sometimes it's even greater than double. Depends on what they test positive for.
Yes, he tested positive.
THC.
Smoking. I met him about a month ago. He came and did some work with me. I got to know him a little bit better. His mom couldn't pay me. They couldn't understand. I'm taking the case free of charge.
How well?
I believe.
How well do you know?
I believe in him.
And how well do you know?
How well do we know anybody? I don't know. I said something about him that reminds me of me.
You're taking a leap of faith.
I'm taking a leap of faith. And I will be accountable.
This moment right here is fascinating. Leon's attorney openly admits he's taking a leap of faith. That's rare. Most defense attorneys argue strictly on facts and law. Here, he's mixing emotion with law, banking on the judge's humanity. But will that emotional gamble outweigh courtroom procedure? That's the big question.
Could he come out? I won't hear.
If we're going to release it, you're going to have a drug patch too as a condition.
Give me a drug patch.
I think he's already.
Here, bring him out. Bring him out. Please, Tommy. Thank you.
Is he?
He's got to get his drug. Got to have a drug patch before.
That's
We can do that.
I can do more.
It's no,
Sorry for this.
That
I
was
sent it to.
too bad. Too bad.
Shape up. Come on. Just,
Yeah.
we're gonna deal with this.
Yeah. Gotcha.
But don't lose strength. These are important decisions.
Yes.
And he needs to
Yes.
handle it responsibly and as a grown up because he's being dealt with like a grown up. And he's got to take responsibilities and make good choices. Hey, Leon,
Yes, sir.
how's it going in there? I wouldn't want to be in there. How many people are in there?
Right there.
30.
Yes,
And they're,
Pocket next door.
you buddy, they're just, you don't want to live with those guys, right?
no, sir.
How long do you want to stay in jail?
I don't know.
I wouldn't, a minute. Anything you learned here in the last 30, 40 minutes?
I don't want to be here. I don't want to be here.
That's your destiny when you use drugs illegally and commit crimes. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I mean, do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And here's the turning point. Leon has had his taste of jail and he wants out. Fast. The judge is using what's called shock probation. A brief, harsh exposure to jail life meant to scare a defendant straight. The real test is not what Leon says right now. It's whether he will follow through tomorrow when temptation hits again.
It's kind of like a shock probation in there. We pulled you through. We wanted to see how you would sense and understand and appreciate the environment that you have elected and chosen to make by not following the rules. That's your destiny unless you change, not tomorrow, not next week, not next year, but right this moment.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you understand and appreciate that?
Yes, sir.
You need to have a drug patch. The bond is going to continue to be the same. You have to have a drug patch before you leave here. Get that, you'll be released
Yes, sir.
on that bond. And then he's got a next event.
You want
But-
to give him 24 hours, Judge, maybe?
You can't get it here. The drug patch. Like he has to go to the place and
Yeah.
put it on.
They send a confirmation to the
Yeah,
court
just-
once he gets it.
They even.
So within 24 hours, if you don't have the confirmation in your file,
It's just a suggestion, Judge. You get it.
If they don't have a program that gets you, you got the end of the day.
Yes,
By the end of the day, that's what you can do.
yes.
You understand? And confirm it with the person who puts it on. You'll be then, as a condition of bond, the bondsman will be notified that you have a drug patch so that that can be monitored.
Yes, sir.
But you fail that, then you fail. You'll be right back there, and that'll be where you sit until we can resolve this, which could take a while. You understand?
Yes, sir.
But we're serious about it. But the thing is, we seem to be more serious about it than you do, and you're supposed to be taking it far more seriously than us. Are you? Are you understanding and appreciating rule following is vital? You don't follow the rules, you get punished. These kind of actions can affect you the rest of your life. If you're convicted of a crime, a felony, it's with you the rest of your life.
Yes, sir.
And doors of opportunity are closed. You don't have options that you would otherwise have to live out your dream of what you want to do, as long as it's the right thing. You know, you want a good dream, not a bad dream. And absolutely no drugs, no firearms.
Yes, sir.
Following the rules like all of us in this room do. We have to follow the same rules. And you can imagine how accountable I would be, or Mr. Samuel would be, or the prosecutors or bailiffs would be if they got caught doing something. We'd really be a big target. But we don't do that because there are we come to appreciate and cherish the more important things. freedom and being able to live in a free society and enjoy your freedoms and follow the rules.
Yes,
All right. That's my lecture as a parent to you.
yes,
But this is like a spanking. You learn from it. You don't want to do this again because you don't want to get punished. Do you understand and appreciate how close you are to a destiny of failure and a conviction follows you the rest of your life, and you can't get, it's like carrying a gorilla around. It wears you down. And then you get tired of, nope, we're not going to hire you.
This is the judge at his most parental. He is not just talking law, he's delivering life advice. A felony conviction is not just a court record. It's a shadow that follows a man for decades. Jobs, housing, even basic trust in society, all of it takes a hit. The courtroom here becomes more than a legal arena. It's a crossroads between Leon's redemption and a lifetime of closed doors.
We're not going to hire you. We're not going to hire you. You get tired of that because that's all you hear. You don't want to lose opportunities. So you've got to live your life making the right choices.
yes, sir.
And we're going to help you with the drug patch. But it tests positive. Shame on you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. He has a next event, an announcement. Did we give him a resetting? Okay. David, you're still on this, right? The odd one's helping you here.
It's like
Giles is attorney.
Oh, that's
But
right.
he hasn't officially hired, so.
Yeah,
you know,
okay.
Mr. Cole.
Until he gets in the game.
Substitution and I'll
Right.
add you.
Add me. I'm taking
Because
it.
we haven't done with our letter yet, so technically I don't have it as,
Okay.
and I can just replace you from my.
Okay.
Well, get your earbuds, so you can see. You don't want to be driving dangerously. Where are you in school? It's a GED you're working on,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay. Where are you?
I'm at the Texas workforce.
Yes, sir. Okay. Where are you?
I passed one of my tests. I need two more to pass so I can go to Lamar and take my official. After I take my official, they put me in a slow pace class so I could function.
Yes, sir.
So now they took me out and I'm going back to the fast paced class. 'Cause
Okay.
I'm
I want you to give me, I want to see how you're doing on your tests.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to be watching you. Okay. All right. We got people watching after you.
Yes,
You
sir.
do your part.
Yes,
You got to do the heavy lifting. We're going to support you, but don't let us down, yourself down,
yes,
your family down.
yes,
Do you understand how many people there are here involved in this, in your decisions? You don't live alone. This isn't just you. You're not on this planet by yourself. You touch a lot of people's lives and they touch you.
yes, sir.
So don't disappoint others. Don't disappoint yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're capable of doing better. That's what's frustrating to all of us. We know you're capable. Do it. We can't drag you across the finish line. You got to run across. Do it. You're capable of winning the race. Okay. Get a resetting, and we'll see you back. And hopefully there'll be a lot of good news out here next. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. Thank you. Anything else? We're in recess. Thank you.
We're arresting him.
Yes. He is placed back on bond.
I'm gonna figure it out. That we clear.
He's got 24 hours to get this drug